Action!
Oh my God! What the hell are you doing here, Carla? Nagbabaan niyo? Obvious ba? You're trying to be funny, no? Alam ko na. Are you a part-time waitress here? O kaya janitress? Tignan mo kasi yung suot mo. It's so terrible.
Miss Gabriela, imbitado po ako dito.
Invited ka? Kasi invitation mo. Alam mo, tuso ka talaga, ano? If I know, invitation niya ni Danny, tapos limit